Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you wore your watch to bed. Now you want to see how you actually slept. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to find your sleep data in Garmin Connect or how to actually view the whole information about your basically sleep quality and all of this. So all we're gonna do now is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and go all the way to Garmin Connect app. As for now, you must log in using your email address and password to access the home dashboard. So as I told you on the home screen, just scroll down, look for the sleep tile. It shows your hours, score, and sleep stages at a glance. If you don't see it, just tap on Edit My Day, it's like a pencil icon here. So basically when you are fully connected to a Garmin device, you will be able to see multiple options about your activities, about your health stats, as you see, lifestyle login, sleep, weight, calories burned, nutrition, blood pressure, all of these informations that you can access. Training and planning, gear, insights. You'll be able to see many options on the home screen. So, all you're gonna do now is tap the sleep chart itself. This opens your full sleep history. You will be able to see your sleep score, sleep stages. This basically puts O, X if your watch supports it as well. HRV and respiration as well. Compatible watches if you own any. Then tap any date to view that night's details. You can also basically access this calendar here that you can basically add multiple activities to, or even check the heart rates. It all depends on your options and on your settings and on your devices. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.